Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about parts of a letter. See, commonly for every letter we have heading, salutation, body of the letter, subscription, and superscription. These are the five parts of any letter. See, let us learn one by one what we write under heading. See, under heading we write self address, that means writer's address. Self address, otherwise writer's address. How do you write writer's address? Generally, the address should be written like this: from nearest to far off place. That means first door number. So totally I am telling door number, colony, station, district, state, and country. Say this is door number very nearest and the country is the farthest. Otherwise, say what we say, narrow to broad. So we can learn either nearest to far off, otherwise narrow to broad. So this is the order. When you write any letter, I think that means you need not write all these things. Whatever you write, but you follow the order. Say door number, station, and date. So that's enough. So under heading what will come? Writer's address with date. Writer's address with date. Date also important. But we should write date in the end. So simply you can write door number, station, and date. These three are important. Why some children write say door number, first they write date, next they write door number, and they write station. This is wrong order. This is not correct. You should not write date first. It should be written in the end. Station after date. Before that you can write door number. Just these three enough. When you write any letter in the examination, under heading you just write this door number, station, and date. That's enough. Okay friends, this is called a heading. Heading means don't put a heading like a leave letter, otherwise a request letter. Like that you should not put heading. Heading means self address, that means writer's address with date. Writer's address with date. Okay friend? Next point is salutation. Salutation, see, usually we write sir or madam. Sir or madam. We write sir or madam. Otherwise you can write dear sir or madam. Dear sir or madam. See, you can write dear friend. If you write letter to friend, you can write dear friend. If you write letter to any official, you can write sir or madam. If you want to write letter to any businessman, you can write dear sir or madam. See, this is for any officials, for officials. This is for business people, and this is for informal letters, means to friends. Okay, you can write dear parent, dear father, dear brother, dear cousin. So like that you can write. So you may ask, sir, my dear, shall we write or wrong? Yes, we can write. When you write any informal letter, then you can write my dear, either dear or my dear. Here one point you please remember, when you write friend, you should not write name. Either name or relationship you should write. Suppose you write my dear uncle, that's enough. You should not write my dear uncle Mr. Ashok, that is wrong. Okay, so either relation or name. This is about salutation. And then here, body of the letter. Body of the letter tells us the main message, that what you are writing to the sender, what you want to communicate to the sender. So that is body of the letter. We can discuss body of the letter elaborately in the next video. Coming to subscription. See, the subscription, say we write yours, Y capital, yours. We should write plainly. We should not keep any apostrophe here. YOURS, yours. Obediently. We write obediently for any teacher, lecturer, professor, whoever it might be. For every teaching professionals, you should write obediently. So you write yours sincerely to your friend. Yours affectionately to your parents. Yours truly to editor, and of course any complaint letter. Yours faithfully when you write a letter to your higher official. Okay, please remember these subscriptions. Say Y should be capital, no apostrophe, and small letter. Faithfully, F small letter. Truly, T small. Affectionately, A. Sincerely, S. Obediently, O. So don't bother about other things. Just you remember these 5 and you can write. Once again I tell you, for higher officials, yours faithfully. For any complaint letter, especially editor letter, yours truly. Say for parents, yours affectionately. For friends, yours sincerely. For teachers or any other teaching professionals, yours obediently. That is a subscription. Coming to superscription. Superscription is nothing but address of the receiver. This is address of the receiver, means To whom you are writing letter. To whom you are writing letter. So already I told you how to write address. So start from door number. Okay. Colony, station, district, state and country. So this is the procedure. Okay, here you need not write date. Superscription doesn't carry date. Only heading will carry date. So please remember. Suppose you want to write door number, station and country, simply you write that order. So follow the order and write them up. Okay friends, so we can discuss elaborately about the body of the letter, because you have to learn some important points there. Thank you friends, let's meet tomorrow.